Hello everyone, this is a SYW 8-bay NAS. This one is white, and there is also black, which supports flat and vertical storage like now. The top is a magnetic dust filter, and the rear of the magnetic mesh is a magnetic strip, equipped with 2 sheets, one large and one small. If it is large, the mesh is relatively large, and it can be directly absorbed on it, and there are magnets on the back. Push back and lift up. The case cover can be removed. 2 12 VCM fans above the interior. There is also a 12 VCM fan on the side. All 3 fans are side ultra-silent fans. All have metal protective nets underneath. It can avoid the wires inside hitting the fan and not turning. Affects heat dissipation. These are 8 hot swappable bays. It supports mixed installation of 2.5-inch and 3.5-inch hard drives. The inside is an anti-short circuit sticker. It can avoid the hard disk plugging in crookedly, causing a short circuit between the positive and negative electrodes to take away the entire device in a wave. On the front are 2 12 VCM fans. These 2 12 cm fans blow directly into the hard drive cage. After taking away the heat, 3 12 cm fans through the top as well as on the sides. Take the heat away quickly. There are a total of 5 12 cm fans. At present, we use 80 plus bronze and 3 SYW certified power supply. This is the 12th generation, i5-12600HX12. Let's take a look at the interface at the rear. 4 USB 3 rear sides, 2 HDMI and 1 DPP. Onboard 2.5G interface. The model number is i5-12600HX12. Audio port .8. 2. USB Type-I. Audio port microphone. Port Wi-Fi port is reserved. This one can also be equipped with Wi-Fi. This is a dual port 2.5G and 2 2.5G network ports. At the rear is an independent temperature control module. There is a gold metal button above this module. With each click, the 2 12 VCM fans in front of the hard drive cage accelerate by 1 gear. Each double click, the 2 12-meter fans in front of the hard disk cage slow down 1 gear. Besides, the module also has a built-in independent metal temperature control probe. In this location, the temperature inside the entire chamber can be sensed. As the temperature inside the box increases, this module increases the speed of the 2 fans in front. Quickly takes away the heat of the whole machine. Let's take a look inside with a PCI-4X16 full-length slot. Then 2 M2 NVMe solid bits. Support 2280 link. On the right side is also a PCI expansion slot. X4 speed. Here we have transferred a 2.5G network card. Besides, we've added a dual-port USB 2 port to the box. Boot disks like Unraid, Synology, and others can be connected here. Put it in the box. This comes standard with 8 hot swappable bays. Add 2 inbox slots. There are 10 pallets in total. Here we have installed the system disk. Besides, we have reserved a set of data cables and power cables. You can fix a 2.5 solid state here, or put a 3.5 solid state here. Let's take a look ahead. In front is a lighted metal switch. In the power on state, it's lit up here. Then dual port USB I/O. Let's demonstrate the installation of a 2.5-inch hard drive. The top side of the hard drive faces the narrower side of the chassis. Then the SATA interface was aligned. Plug it in. Like SSDs, you can install them like this. If it's a 2.5-inch machine, a limit screw can be installed here. The limit screw will get stuck in this position on the rail. Make sure it doesn't move. Of course, it can also be plugged in directly. Let's demonstrate the installation of a 3.5-inch hard drive. Where the hard drive shock absorber strip bulges, align the SATA interface. There are 2 on one side. Then the same hard disk top. Align with the narrower side of the chassis. Follow the slide. Align the slide rails. Then insert down. Just plug it in. Pull it out directly when you pull it out. Demonstrate the insertion again. Align the slide rails from the side. Plug it in down. Pay attention to the wider side of the bottom surface. The top face is aligned with the narrower side. There's another option, which is Do not install the shock absorber strip of the hard disk in reverse. The bulging place here is aligned with the SATA connector. Let's demonstrate the lid back of the upper cover. There is a snap on the upper cover. Align the card slots on the chassis. Then drop down. Lower the alignment and push forward. Push to the end. There are 2 screws in the rear. Tighten the 2 screws. Then cover with a magnetic dust film. This is the effect of a vertical position. When it is placed upright, it is about 3 centimeters wide. The height is about 33 centimeters. The foot pads can be worn horizontally. It is also possible to dress upright. Either way. Okay. Thank you.